Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Start menu has once again been reconfigured for Windows 11. To show the Start menu in Windows 11, click the Start button, which has the Windows logo on it, in the Windows taskbar. Alternatively, press the Windows key on your keyboard to show the Start menu. The top of the Start menu in Windows 11 shows the Type Here to Search field. If you click into this field, you actually activate and switch over to the search menu that appears after you click the Search button to the right of the Start button in the taskbar of Windows 11. To switch back to the Start menu, click the Start button again. We will discuss using the Search menu in Windows 11 in a separate lesson. The next section in the Start menu is the Pinned section, which shows apps you pin to the Start menu for easy access. To open a pinned app, click its app icon. To unpin an app, which removes it from this section, right-click its app icon and select the Unpin from Start command in the pop-up menu that appears. If you pin more apps than you can show in a section, a menu of dots appears to the right of the pinned section. Each dot represents a new section of pinned apps. You can click a dot to see the apps in that section. You can also scroll your mouse wheel, if available, up or down to scroll through the app sections. To reorganize the pinned apps, click and drag them to the desired location in the pinned section of the Start menu. To show all apps on your computer, click the All Apps button in the upper right corner of the pinned section in the Start menu in Windows 11 to change the Start menu to show a listing of all of the apps on your device in alphabetical order. To open an app in this list, click its app icon. To pin an app in this list to the pinned section of the Start menu, right-click the app icon. Then select the Pin to Start command in the pop-up menu that appears. To return to the listing of pinned apps in the Start menu, click the back button in the upper right corner of the listing of all apps. Continuing down the Start menu in Windows 11, the next section is the Recommended section, which shows recently opened files. To open an item in this section, click its icon. To remove a recently opened file from this list, right-click its icon, and then click the Remove from List command. To show a file's location in a new File Explorer window, right-click its icon and click the Open File Location command. To show more recommended items, click the More button in the upper right corner of the Recommended section to change the Start menu to show a listing of all the recently opened files on your device. To open one of these items, click its icon. To return to the Recommended section of the Start menu, click the Back button in the upper right corner of the listing. Continuing down the Start menu in Windows 11, the next section contains a button that shows your username and picture to the left and the Power button to the right. To show a pop-up menu of account options, click the Username button. To change your account settings, select the Change Account Settings link in the pop-up menu. Alternatively, to lock the computer and show the lock screen, choose the Lock link. Alternatively, to sign out of the computer, select the Sign Out link. To switch user accounts, select the name of the user account to which to switch from the list to show the sign-in screen for that user. To close the menu without making any choices, click your Username button again. To select a power-off choice for the computer, click the Power button in the Start menu to show a pop-up menu of power choices. To place the computer into sleep mode, click the Sleep choice in the menu. Alternatively, to shut down the computer, select the Shut Down choice in the menu. To restart the computer, select the Restart choice in the menu. To close the menu without making a choice, click the Power button again.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.